Hi children, welcome back to the lesson. Welcome back to the lesson garbage. So today we are going to discuss about the final topic about the garbage, means how to reduce this garbage, how to stop producing garbage. So there are many ways to reduce the use of garbage in our daily lives. So wherever that we are wasting the material, we have to remember in our mind and we have to go as per their disposal. And when you come to know about the importance, for example, if you can able to reuse, if you can able to recycle, then you have to dispose them separately, then disposal of the garbage become very easy. For example, first one, here we have to dispose the kitchen garbage. We have to dispose the kitchen garbage. How? Here this kitchen garbage by uh, we can use it as the vermicompost, right? We already know that composting and vermicompost can be done by kitchen wastage. Why? Because it contain mainly food product, nothing but animal and plant products. So animal and plant products are organic materials, and they can be converted into very easily, they can be converted into manure, nothing but to compost or vermicompost, and it is very useful for the cultivation, like that. And as well as, we should never put kitchen garbage in the polythene covers. Just remember, why? Because the cows and etc., they are eating those covers. So we should not take the garbage, we should not dispose the garbage by keeping in polythene covers. Remember this. And as well as, here what happening, if you throw the covers here and there, it is causing clogging. So to reduce this clogging, obstruction of the drainage ways, we should not throw them improperly. While we are throwing, we should remember that we should dispose the material exactly in the garbage dustbin. If you throw here and there by the air or by some ways, it go into drainage line and it causes obstruction, right? So take care, do not throw them however you want, just throw them in the dustbin, that's it, right? And as well as, if it is possible, please don't throw the plastic. You can use them, reuse them, use again and again. No need to buy or no need to get the new one. Use the polythene cover again and again. So by reusing, you can reduce what you call the amount of plastic that is produced by us, wastage, right? We should, however, never burn the plastic bags and other plastic items. Remember, if you burn the plastic bags and plastic items, then it releases the harmful gases, which is very dangerous, which are very dangerous. So please don't burn them. And as well as, here we should make the full use of papers of your notebook. आपका नोटबुक में जो कुछ भी पेपर है, अच्छा तरीके से इस्तेमाल करना. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ़ यू टेक इन द, if you write something on one side, then second side also should be utilized very well. And as well as, if you taken a Xerox copy of something and the second side, if it is empty, then utilize it for doing rough work. When it is useless paper, we should use them perfectly, right? So what happens, it reduces the wastage of paper. And as well as, if you use the slate for doing rough work, if you use the slate, then what happens, no need to use of paper, so that you can reduce the wastage of paper, like that. And next, we should make the full we should make the paper and magazines, notebooks for the recycling. By the recycle, we can get the new paper, right? So that we have to do recycle for these old papers. And next, we should give the old cloths and books to the poor people. Should not dispose in the garbage, simply donate them. Then the other people will reuse the material that you don't want to reuse. If you donate them, then other people will reuse, right? And we should use the cloth and kerchief instead of paper tissues, right? If you use the paper, then what happens, we have to throw daily one paper. If you use the handkerchief, you can wash them and use again and again. And as well as, it is better to use paper carry bag or cloth carry bag or jute bag. and we should say no to plastic covers, right? Remember this. And we should choose and buy the products with least package. So जो कुछ भी मटेरियल आप परचेज कर रहे वो पैकिंग छोटा सा पैकिंग रहना, बड़ा बड़ा कवरों में वो वैपर करके वैसा. What happens if you purchase such items? It produces more and more garbage in your locality, right? And whereas we should recycle the old and useless object made from the glass, metal or plastic. You can recycle them, and if it is possible we also have to recycle the plastic, right? Why? Because we know very well plastic causing heavy damage to our livelihood, right? So these are some ways to reduce the garbage. Remember now, right? And here garbage removal is not only, it is not only the work of the government. Remember, it is not only the work of government, it is your responsibility to clean our surroundings well. For example, are you do you produce sorry, what happens if you produce more and more garbage in your house? It looks dirty or ugly. So it is your house, it is our country, it is our locality, it is our village. So it is our responsibility to clean it. We should not produce any garbage, and if you want to dispose them, we have to dispose them properly. Improper disposement or improper management of the waste can cause the huge damage, right? It causes diseases, it produces bad smell, it clogs the drainage, right? So here we should not throw the garbage here and there. We should dispose them properly into the dustbins or garbage bins. Remember this one, okay? So proper disposal of the garbage will keep you healthy. If your surroundings are healthy, then you will be healthy automatically, right? If you are a good person, then if possible we have to reduce the problem by disposal of garbage by utilizing in the kitchen waste, okay now. Whatever the produce leftover food or vegetable peel or fruit peel, whatever the waste material that is produced in the kitchen, we have to use it for the preparation of compost or vermicompost. So that what happens, when you are using the material for the composting, there is no more what you call garbage will be appear, and it becomes the manure, and you can use them, right? And as well as if you reduce the usage of plastic, instead of plastic you could use cloth or paper or jute bags to carry items, right? And that too you have to use this material again and again. And if you purchase any plastic container, don't throw it, use it again and again. And if it is possible, recycle the paper, recycle the glass, recycle the metal, and recycle the articles which are very useful, right? And remember these things in your mind and keep our surrounding clean. The garbage, non-biodegradable garbage, it causes heavy damage to our earth. So that if it is possible, don't use the non-biodegradable material. Means the food items packed in the wrappers or plastic covers, particularly plastic covers, we should avoid the use of them. So in this lesson what we learned about the type of garbage and type of disposal methods, how to dispose them, and how to keep our surrounding clean, what happens if you don't clean them, and how to produce the vermicompost. This is all about we studied, right? So here by learning this lesson you just simply come to a conclusion that how to maintain our surrounding clean, right? Make the people awareness about the garbage disposal, and uh, tell them what kind of dustbins are meant for what. So green dustbin, blue dustbin, how do we have to dispose the material, and how to keep contact or relate with the safai wala, right? And what you call kabadi wala, the garbage picker, or otherwise we called grab picker, right? So we have to clean the surrounding. However, to be healthy, not only you, if you be healthy, if you keep your surrounding clean, then if the all people follow the same, then what happens? At a time our India becomes clean India. That is what we call Swachh Bharat, right? एक कदम स्वच्छता की ओर. So if you keep surrounding clean, then you will be healthy and you are going to form the healthy nation. So with this we completed our lesson. In the next session we'll discuss about the total completed lesson, a revision, right? Thank you.